Yo, what's good? We back. Supreme week 2. Only thing I like from the week 2 drop, they had a Nike and the Nike SB Supreme collab. The Gatos. Those are trash. Those were easy pass. I went after this one. Only thing on the list. Very easy pickup. Damn, no stickers at all. No stickers, wow. Not even a regular box logo. But I picked up this keychain, phone booth keychain, Payphone keychain. So, just has the Supreme red box logo right there, and then it has the Payphone. So Supreme, this was an unseen item for week 2. They had the blue colorway and the red colorway. Picked the red. I also picked up this cam cap, big fat Supreme patch right there. Check it out. Here's the back. This is a military cam cap and a mossy oak. And it comes with this little patch or tag for mossy oak. Yeah, newest pickup from week 2, something light. I'm ready for the week 4 CDG. It's gonna be crazy. Stay tuned for a live cop video. I'll be making live cops now, so you guys can see what I cop and whatnot. But latest pickup from Supreme week 2, keychain and a hat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm out. Peace.